back to Simbuzz. Recently, I mentioned a site called Zedge. This site allows you to actually download ringtones, wallpapers, and notification tones without having to cut. Before I started using that, by the way, if you want to know more about that site, click the card in the upper right hand corner. Before I started using that site, I was using a site called Ringtone Maker. This is a really good one. It is tedious, but it gets the job done. It has a lot to it. It has all of your audio files. It puts all of them into one database, if you will, database list. And what you can do is you can cut the one of your choice into as long a clip as you want, like whatever, like if you want to clip the beginning of the song, the end of the song, wherever you want to clip for however long you want to clip. But be wary. Beware, because you want to clip the right amount according to what you want to use it for. If you want to use it for a notification tone, that shouldn't be anything more than 2 seconds. A ringtone should be about maybe 15 seconds, I'd say. And an alarm, 20 to 30 seconds. But you can do either of those with your music on your cell phone by downloading this app. It's from the Big Bang Inc. It's from Big Bang Inc. And what you choose to do it to record these as is color coded. If you do it as a ringtone, it shows up green on that list. A notification shows up a mustard yellow, while an alarm shows up red. And you can actually do these. I've done quite a few of these. And in the one that I just mentioned, that Zedge app that I just talked about earlier, that cuts it for you. This one doesn't cut it for you. It's taken me up to 45 minutes to cut the right amount at the right time, because you gotta find the right start and the right end. What you do is there's a lever at the top and a lever at the bottom. You move the top lever to where you want the clip to start, and the bottom lever to where you want it to end. And then you click on the cut button, and then you decide what do you want to use this as, and then whatever you use it as, like I just said, it is color coded. Alarm red, notification yellow, ringtone green. And you should be wary of how long you're making that, because you don't want a notification more than 2 seconds, and you don't want an alarm that's just 5 seconds. You want to make sure you have the right time, right duration for the right alarm type, sound type. Anyway, that is called Zed, or excuse me, so Ringtone Maker. I'm sorry, Ringtone Maker. It's from the Big Bang. It's from Big Bang Inc. I used this before, and it was a little painstaking, but it worked. That is, well, it works now too, but Zedge is really good, but Ringtone Maker is a start. That's where you can cut to wherever you want, because Zedge cuts it for you. Ringtone Maker, you can cut wherever you want. Like if you want a certain stanza of a certain song, go for Ringtone Maker. Anyway, it's in your app store. It's in almost every app store. Ringtone Maker is the one to go for customize. And I use this, and Zedge is good because it has a variety, but Ringtone Maker lets you cut it where you want it to. So look for Ringtone Maker in the in your app store from the Big Bang Inc. And you will be glad you did. And by the way, I just had some problems with my channel I mentioned in my last stream, and I am pleased to mention that I got those fixed. So this should work. And so with that newly with that new with that newly fixed subscribe button, go ahead and like and subscribe to my channel, and you'll be glad. And again, you'll be glad you did. Peace. I'm out.